Yo, what's up, fam? We'll go back to Dig Talk, the place where we break it down, dig it up, and keep it real. Today, we're diving into the world of remasters. That's right, when old school classics get a brand new shine. Segment 1, what is a remaster? 020, so what even is a remaster? Basically, it's like taking a legendary game, movie, or track, cleaning up the graphics, sound, and sometimes gameplay, and giving it a fresh coat of digital paint. Think of it as nostalgia, upgraded. Segment 2, WHY, people love remasters. 045, let us be real. We all got that one game or show from back in the day we wish we could replay in HD. Remasters bring the past into the future. Better visuals, smoother performance, and sometimes taint. It's like getting the same candy you loved as a kid, but now it's sugar-free. And 4K. Segment 3. Best remasters out there, 110. Some remasters hit different. GTA Trilogy. The Last of Us Part 1 Resident Evil series, they took classics and made them iconic again. Segment 4. When remasters go wrong, 140. Not every remaster is a masterpiece, though. Sometimes devs just slap on a filter and call it new. Definitive Edition? Anyone? We want love, care, and polish, not just a money grab. Outro 2 o'clock. What's your favorite remaster of all time? Or one you think needs a proper remake? Drop it in the comments below, and don't forget to like, subscribe, and share if you love gaming, movies, and more remastered magic. This is Dig Talk, and remember, old doesn't mean outdated.